सर अब म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड सही है कैंपेन इतना फेमस हुआ. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ फाइनेंशियलाइजेशन हैपनिंग विच इज गुड फॉर both mutual fund industry of India and for people who can generate wealth.
Right.
But sir इसी का एक I'd say dark side है कि बहुत ज्यादा exquisite schemes भी आने लगी हैं. There's this thing called thematic funds, right? जैसे value fund, then sectoral fund, देन आईआईएफएल ने अपना नया फंड लॉन्च किया फिनटेक फंड, जहां पे वो सिर्फ फिनटेक स्टार्टअप्स में प्राइमरली बट लेट्स से प्राइवेट इक्विटी स्पेस में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. देन आईपीओ फंड बाय ईडलवाइस जो रिसेंटली लिस्टेड आईपीओ में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. चाइनीज ओवरसीज फंड. सो सर ये बहुत ज्यादा ना एक्सक्विजिट साइड से फंड्स आ रहे हैं. डू दे रियली एड वैल्यू or not? Because I remember Radhika Gupta, who is CEO of Edelweiss, if I'm not
Edelweiss.
wrong, she mentioned कि they really don't add a lot of value. जो पहले से म्यूचुअल फंड्स चले आ रहे हैं, they are enough, more than enough for investors to make decent money. But I want to know what's
Right.
your view in this.
I'm glad you asked this question. So you have kind of answered it already. See, understand from the perspective of the person who is selling you anything. Mutual fund company, no matter which company it is, they're in the business of doing what? Selling schemes, right? And to sell schemes, performance will come whenever it will come. But marketing is one thing which comes on day one,
Okay.
right? And they are good at it. They are supposed to be good at it, right? Now, let's say you go to a showroom, to buy a showpiece, right? There are 1,000 showpieces on display, right? But you buy 1, 2, or 3, whichever you need, right? So you might ask, and why are 1,000 pieces on display when I need only 2 or 3, right? There are 1,000 pieces on display because they know someone will buy this, someone will buy something else. So they want to sell. They just want to sell. They don't care about, whether this piece is looking good or not, and this is valuable or not. That's not the point. The point is there are different people, different opinions. When you have n number of different exclusive kind of schemes, you will be like, everyone will buy something from me. Koi kuch le lega, koi kuch le lega, right? So all these schemes which are coming, that IPO scheme and all that, these are all, I call them fancy categories. It's like a fancy dress competition happening. And the one name which you took was thematic fund. That's the most ridiculous fund. I mean, even others, you're talking about IPO and fintech and all. Please understand again, one more thing I want to point out here. I always tell my investors, fund manager ke dukh ko samjho. Understand the pain point of fund manager, because he or she is the one who will manage your hard-earned money, right? Now, if you have a scheme which is binding you to invest only in IPOs, new IPO stocks, or binding you to invest only in PSU stocks, or only in consumption stocks, when you're binding fund manager in any form, you are, doing harm to yourself. Why do you bind the fund manager? You go to a mid-cap scheme, for example, fund manager is investing in 60 stocks. He has spread that money in 15, 20 different sectors and industries. And whenever he feels that this particular industry will not do well, he will take out those 2, 3 stocks from that industry and put in something else. So he has got that flexibility to maneuver around, right? And that's what generates the returns. The moment you bind them, I mean, they're ready to get bind because they're getting their money. I mean, they're again in the business of selling the mutual fund schemes. But yeah, they do not add value at all. It's just a fancy category in your portfolio. You feel good that I have done something different. Everyone wants to do something different, and that's what they are taking advantage of. I call the other basic schemes as dal roti schemes. I have given a name, dal roti schemes, in my program. I tell them they take a pure large cap, pure mid cap, and pure small cap. That's what is good for your dal roti is good for your health, and these schemes are good for your financial health. Anything else you're doing is all zazzy and fancy. Doesn't help.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.